DJM TV.
We must to help ourselves for Buhari government hand. Correct ogbonge country people. How today be for una side now? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time when it be say the time be now for una side. On top the time when we be say una take the look us on top our day-to-day informative yarns on top our number one TV station when be DJM TV. My name now Stanley Okocha. Una correct country brother. I mean, once you yarn the ogbonge correct story information when be say don dey share on top this time for inside Naija. The before vice president for Naija when him name be Alhaji Atiku Abubakar don yarn come out say Naija people must to help themselves to take help Naija sake of say the president Muhammadu Buhari government need help. For one informative paper when get the title the world highest people when not get work number, the time to help this government to take help Naija na now. The before vice president yarn say if Naija people help the president Muhammadu Buhari government, it means say na Naija people dey help themselves. He come still complain say instead of the president Muhammadu Buhari government to dey listen to correct wisdom advice, dem go begin to dey read bad meaning to any idea and suggestment when e be say people dey give dem. The PDP president contestant for the 2019 president vote for 2019 comes in and join say the cause of crime number wey don increasement to big high number to sake of say many people for inside Naija no get work when e be say dem dey do. For im mouth as im take talk right am, I never feel bad like this before sake of the informate when e be say the Bloomberg business just yarn come out say Naija na country wey go come out as the highest country wey get people when e be say dem no get work for the whole world with just small na im take waka pass 33%. We first won on top of this one, but the repeat won when myself and other correct people for inside Naija do, the government no mind am. Then turn am to laugh matter. But see now how Naija take reach here, so we reach this level sake of say we live leadership when get focus for the Naija people and free trade and the deregulation arrange of the president Obasanjo government when e be say dem be arrange down when be make us maintain one digit people wey no get work number and to do discredit commandment and control decidement when come make pogiri dey fly comot for Naija, and with small pogiri we come still dey continue dey gather government plan put for inside areas when e be say dem no suppose. All these areas na place wey be say we suppose live for the private people when they do business when go come make them handle the thing wella. The latest one now na the proposed advisement of $1.5 billion pogiri when e be say dem give the government to take rearrangement the Port Harcourt place when e be say dem for dey cook petrol when don fail and not gree give gain for many years. Wetin dis president Muhammadu Buhari government must know be say the security matter when e be say dey gbege for inside Naija na sake of say many young people when e dey for inside Naija no get work when e be say dem dey do sake of say person wey no get work na the worst thing be that sake of say the muscle and power when the person suppose to use to take do production of things, e go come dey use am take dey scatter things when e be say e no come make Naija come get peace again. Now this one na come make Naija come be number 3 for country when e be say e come get terrorism for inside the whole world. We don reach the place as one country, and the truth be say everybody wey get mind for Naija and all the before leaders must come out now to come yarn for this correct time before e go come dey too late to take save Naija. The Buhari government no get the mind, muscle and power to take bring solution for all the wahala when e be say Naija dey face now, and we must help them not be for the sake of the government but for the sake of all the people wey dem dey for inside Naija. for how to take find solution on top all the wahala wey Naija dey face now. Alhaji Atiku come rejectment the plan when e be say the federal government of Naija get to spend $1.5 billion kpogri to take rearrangement the Port Harcourt petrol kuku place. And im come still yarn join say na private pipo na im go better to run the place wella when e be say better gain go come out. For Alhaji Atiku Abubakar mouth again the way take write the informate paper, as a country we go dey better to sell all the different places when e be say dem for the kuku petrol and the NNPC plus the NNG test arrangement when give federal government of Naija 49% equal share, and the private people go come get 51% of their own share. Remember say for 20 years when end for inside 2020 the Naija liquefied natural gas wey be NLNG fit gather and bring $18.3 billion kpogri gain, and that one no join tax and many alawi when e be say the country come gain for inside that one. This one no go only free the government for the too much spend well of kpogri when they dey spend anyhow. E go still clean the infrastructure wayo when be say e dey inside the downstream area. I dey yarn this one sake of say na the quick way to take draw down the number of people when e be say they no get work for inside Naija. This one go make government come put more kpogiri for inside school matter sake of say na people when e be say dem go school na dem dey fit get work and even arrange work for other people to come still get. Science don teach us say na school dey reduce crime and insecurity. Pikin and mama kpai and even bring kpogiri for inside life. For the side of the 774,000 special work for Naija pipo, the retired custom oga come praise the federal government of Naija, but im come quick yarn say make dem no abuse and scandalize am. Still for im mouth, we must gather all those young people when e be say dem don pass school age put for one big public work arrangement. The federal government of Naija when e be say President Muhammadu Buhari na im dey lead am for this time be talk say dem don arrange 774,000 special public work for young people when e be say dem start for inside January 2021. This one na good step, but make dem do am wella, no be just to dey yarn am come out for mouth and nothing go dey happen for ground. Maybe we go copy the Malaysia arrange where dem remove our specialist work, dem no come allow made foreign contractors to dey bring labour come from outside the country come dey enter inside their country. And we go need to do these three things quick when e be say I want young Nigeria people. So one, Naija must wake up and go one single exchange rate when e be say na the market things na go make am dey shele like that. The second one, the federal government of Naija and the state government must also reduce tax to come make Naija business dey friend. And finally kpogiri as a place like the Central Bank of Naija and the Security and Exchange Commission must free themselves for politics wey go concern and cause the stuff of Bitcoin and even crypto kpogiri. For the situation where e come be say we be the headquarter of poor people, headquarter for the school children wey no dey go school, and the country when e be say dem get the highest people when be say dem no get work for the whole world. This one na big and very serious gbege na we dey enter. So plus say this one fit come land us for the number one for state when e be say e don fail for inside the number. But this one God go forbid. Na so Atiku Abubakar yarn am. Country pipo, na there our tori for break leg for inside this time. We wan thank una well for the time when e be say una don take dey look and listen to our day-to-day tori information wey be say we don dey yarn una since. We wan beg una say make una like, make una share and make una comment on top this matter information wey be say we carry come give una today. So we wan still beg una say make una subscribe if e be say una never see subscribe on top all the time when business una don take dey watch us for all this our day-to-day informate tori yarns when we dey always bring come give una. we wan thank una for all this time, and we wan still tell una say once una subscribe, make sure say una put una hand for the notification bell, so that anytime we knack tori informate as dem dey hot come out like this, una go always receive am and una go look am and lis ten to am. Until next time when e be say we go still come una way with another ogbonge tori information we go don share for inside that time, we wan thank una well well. My name na still na country brother Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. I salute una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.